Mr. Andres today, and today we will be making marble painting. So all you really need is a piece of paper and a box and some marbles. So I'm using just 5 marbles today. If you can add more, bigger ones, anything you can find that are marbles. Alright, and just paint. So I have green and orange and blue and red. So let's get started. First you put the paper in the box, and then you just squirt some paint. You don't have to do it exactly. You can just put it however you want. Just put it on the paper like that. And then the next color, I'm going to put blue. Alright, and make sure this is in an area where you can paint and get a little bit messy, so your parents don't get mad at you if you make a mess. You put the marbles in, and you just make them roll around. Make sure you get everywhere where there's paint. And you can see they're making lines and going through the paint and just changing it up. So you can do this as long as you want. Just make sure that the marbles stay in and you don't accidentally drop the paint. Alright. And I think that's enough for this one. Alright. Let's look at this one, how it turned out. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, that's the first one we did. Put that there. And then we'll get the second paper. Put it in. Alright, I washed the marbles just so they wouldn't have the blue and red. And you can do that since I'm going to be using different colors. You probably should use a nudie box as well, because there is a bit of paint in there, but we're going to keep on going like this. So I'm going to be putting some orange. Alright, I think that's enough. That looks pretty cool on stuff like that. Let's put some green. Don't have a lot of green, but that should be enough. And then you can put more or less paint however you feel like. So I'm going to put the marbles back in and just keep on going through it. And then you stop just when you feel you're finished. So I think I'll be done once I get that last little spot. Alright, I think that looks good. It's a lot of slashes with the green and the orange coming together with a little bit of blue coming in from the other painting. But that's it. Alright, thank you for joining us today on this video. I hope you guys enjoy and hope you guys have fun doing this art project.